Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Amazon wishlist without sharing address. Let's begin. So once you've opened up your wishlist, mine is called gaming list, you're going to go to the right side here and then select more, and then you're going to select manage list. So what I'm going to do now is make sure that this is public, and then select save changes. So now I'm going to go back to more, then manage list again. Scroll down until you see something which says shipping address. So now if you scroll down after selecting shipping address, you're going to see something which says share my shipping address with sellers. Now if you share with sellers, people will be able to see your address. So now what you need to do is if you see this option has been chosen, share my shipping address with sellers, all you need to do is just uncheck it and then scroll down again and then select don't spoil my surprises. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.